Start. Hello students, good morning. Today we will continue the same topic, that is domain and range. Domain and range. Chapter number 2. Domain and range. In domain and range, already we discussed many questions. Domain mean the value of the function we put in the initial, and the result of the function is called range. Result of the function is called range. Clear? We solve some question from the miscellaneous exercise of chapter 2. Yes, miscellaneous exercise of chapter 2, that is question number 1 we solve. Question number 1, that is f of x is equal to x square 3x 0 less than x less than equal to 3, 3 less than x less than equal to 10, and the second function, that is g of x square 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 2, and 3x 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 10. Show that f is a function. Show that f is a function and g is not function. F is a function, g is not function. Yes. Put 3 is the critical point. 3 is the critical point. In this, 2 is the critical point. So we have to put 3 in the function. Put 3 here. You can say 3 square, that is 9. And put 3 here also. That is 3 into 3, 9. It means element 3 has unique image. It means element 3 has unique image. Therefore, you can say element 3 has unique image. Hence, you can say f is a function. F is a function. Clear? Function, you know very well, every element of a domain has some unique image in the codomain. That is called function. Clear? And the second part of these questions, we have to put here 2 because 2 is the critical value. That is 2 square, that is 4. And put here 2, that is 3 into 2, 6. It means element 2 has 2 different images. Element 2 has 2 different images. That is not function. That is not function, because according to the definition, function, what is function? Every element of domain has unique image in the codomain. Not like that. Therefore, you can say G is not function. G is not a function. Why reason? Because element 2 has 2 images. Element 2 has 2 images. Therefore, it is not function. Clear? This is the first question. How miscellaneous? Second question, very easy. You can solve yourself just putting the value. Second question, that is f of x is equal to x square. Just find the value f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. F of 1.1, it means put this value here. So you can say 1.1 whole square and put this value here because it is function. Now can you tell me 1.1 minus 1? That is 0.1. 1.21 minus 1 upon 0.1. 1.21 minus 1. Subtract 0.1. 0.1. 0.1 you can write 0.10. And that is 21 by 10. And when you simplify, you can write here 2.1. This is the answer. And question number 3rd, 4th and 5th and 6th already we discussed, correct? Now we solve it. Question number 8, very important question. The function given 1 comma 1, image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 3, and the image of 0 is minus 1, image of minus 1 is minus 3. Be a function from z to z. Be a function from z to z. You can say function f be a function from z to z. Z to z, it means z is the domain and z is also codomain. The function is given, f of x is given ax plus b. For some integer a and b, for some integer a and b, find the value of a and b. This is the question. And you know that it is linear function. Linear function. Linear function. What is linear function? Linear function mean the function in which the highest power of the variable is 1. Just put in place of here y, put y. So you can say y is equal to ax plus b, or you can say ax plus b is equal to y. This is, now take any two ordered pair from there. Take any two ordered pair, 2, because all the ordered pairs satisfy this function. So I take ordered pair 1 1 and 2 3. 1 1 and 2 3. Now put here x, value of x is 1, here put, and y is 1, here put. When you put x is equal to 1 here, y is equal to 1 here, the equation become ax a plus b is equal to 1. This is first equation. Now put second order pair. Put here 2 and here 3. The equation become 2a plus b is equal to 3. This is the second equation. Clear? You can again check. You can take any two ordered pair from this. You can take any two ordered pair from this and put the value of x and y in this equation. So you will get two equations, linear equation and two variables. Here, elimination method, you know. On subtracting, this will be cancelled. A minus 2a, that is minus a, minus 2, a is equal to 2. Now put the value of a. Put the value of a in first. 2 plus b is equal to 1, therefore b is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. You can check. Equation in both the equation in two variables. You can use elimination for finding the value of a and b. This is the solution of question number 8. Now start next question. Of miscellaneous exercise. Question number 10. Let A given, question number 10. A given in the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 only, not 5. And B given here 1, 5, 9, 11, 15 and 16. And the function from A to B, function from A to B, image of 1 is 5, image of 2 is 9, image of 3 is 1, image of 4 is 5, image of 4 is 5. This is the question. Set A given, set B given. In set A, element 1, 2, 3, 4, and in set B 5, 9, 1. Other element also 1, 5, 9, that is 11, 15, 16. This is called domain, and element 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 domain, and this whole set is called codomain. The whole set B is called codomain. But the element 5, 9, 1, that is range, you can say. Now, are the following true? F is a relation from A to B. First part, F is a relation. F is a relation from A to B. It is true or false? So you can say it is true. It is true. Because element 1 has 5, 2 element related to 1 element. 2 element related to 1 element. But it is not possible in function. Because in function every element has the unique image. Every element has the unique image. Clear? Therefore, it is a relation. Now check 1, 5, 2, 9, 3, 1 and 4, 5 and 1 element also 2, 11. 2, 11. 2, 11. Correct? So therefore F is a relation from A to B. It is true. But the second part of this question, check F is a function from A to B or not. It is not true, it is false. It is false. Second part of this question. F is a function. F is a function from A to B. It is false. Reason? Reason because element 2 has 2 images. Because element 2 has 2 images. 2 images 9 and 11. 9 and 11. Therefore it is not function. Therefore it is not function. This is the solution of question number 10, miscellaneous exercise, chapter number 2. Next, question number 11. 11. F be the subset of Z cross Z. Let F be the subset of Z cross Z, and the function is defined by ordered pair AB, comma A plus B, such that A, B belongs to Z. Is f is a function or not? Is f is a function or not? You have to decide. Now, AB, choose any two number whose product is the same. Two example. Let A is equal to 6, B is equal to 2, A is equal to 4, B is equal to 3. Now can you tell me their product? 6 to 12 and 4 3 12. Choose two examples whose product is the same. You can take another example also. You can take another example, many examples. But example should be from the integer, because here is given f is the subset of Z cross Z. Here. Now, with the help of this, can you tell me the ordered pair? Put this value here. Put this value here. 12 and 6 plus 2, 8. Here 12 and 7. Therefore, you can say it is not function. It is not function because 12 has two elements. Therefore, f is not function because element 12 has two images, 7 and 8, right? If any element has two or more than two images, that is not function. Correct? This is the answer. And the last question of this miscellaneous 12, that is A is given 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and the function from A to N defined by this. F of n is equal to the highest prime factor of n. Find range. Can you tell me range? Range. Yes, factor of 9. Highest prime factor. You know that factor of 9, that is 3 into 3. You can say factor 1, 3, 9. But prime factor, highest prime factor is 3. 9 is not prime. 9 is not prime. And 1 is neither prime nor composite. And the prime factor of 10, 1, 2, 5, 10. But the highest prime factor, that is 5. Here 11. The factor of 11 is 1 and 11. 11 already prime number. 1 is not prime, therefore highest is 11. And the factor of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Correct? But the highest prime factor, that is 3. But 3 already in the set. And the prime factor of 13, that is 13 also. 13 is also prime. This is the solution of this question. Clear? Right? Now your second chapter is complete, that is relation function. Revise properly all example and all the graph related to this chapter. Correct? Thank you.